My name is Abner and I work at Auckland Panel and Paint. Love the fact that it's a hands-on job. You're not sitting around, you're always active. From stripping, repairing cars, refits. When you finish a job, you can just admire what you have done. Yeah, I do recommend other people to get into the trade, especially Māori and Pacific Islanders, because I don't really see much of them in the panel beating industry at the moment. Hopefully I can be a role model for them and encourage them to join the panel beating trade. The MTA Awards, as soon as they read out my name for Apprentice of the Year, I think I jumped in the air and yeah, I was just all excited. I read a story of one of the young Gordon Hammer Awards, I think it was last year or the year before, and his story really inspired me as well to go for it as well and into the Gordon Hammer Award, and I actually won. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
My name is Bianca Swart. I definitely think it is worthwhile, getting out there, getting a qualification. The saying in the industry is, got a trade, got it made. It's an industry where you can always be guaranteed work.